Coco Kids! Today's topic is verb and their types. So, let's learn together. A verb is a word that shows an action, state, or occurrence. It is one of the most important parts of speech because it tells us what the subject is doing or what condition it is in. Example: she runs every morning. Here, runs is the action verb. Types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs, helping auxiliary verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, finite verbs, non-finite verbs, modal verbs. Action verbs express physical or mental action. Examples: run, eat, think, write. Linking verbs connect the subject with information about it. Examples: is, am, are, was, were, seem, become. Helping auxiliary verbs support the main verb to form tenses, questions, or negatives. Examples: is running, have seen, will go. Transitive verbs action verbs that need an object to complete their meaning. Examples: she reads a book. Intransitive verbs action verbs that do not need an object. Examples: he sleeps. Regular verbs verbs that form past tense by adding ed. Examples: walk, walked. Irregular verbs that change their form differently in past tense. Examples: go, went, eat, ate. Finite verbs that change according to the subject and tense. Examples: she runs, they run. Non-finite verbs that don't change with subject or tense. Examples: to play, playing, played. Modal verbs express ability, possibility, necessity, or permission. Examples: can, may, must, should, will. Hi kids, we hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.